Hi guys, I am Karen and welcome to this video where I am going to explain to you the process of applying for an undergraduate course at the University of Lincoln. It is not a difficult process, so you should not be scared. Every step are on the website and I am going to show you how to do so. First, you will need to go to lincoln.ac.uk and then go to the option that says International Students. Then you will click Fees and Scholarships. You will then be directed to this page where you will be able to type a word related to a course that you are interested in. Here you will see a list of options for the courses, the different courses that the university offers, so you can choose the one that you are most interested in. We're gonna choose as an example a media production course in this case. You will find a lot of information about the course, about the modules that go through the year, how you are assessed, and also general information about the fees and scholarships, and also some entry requirements. If you want more detailed information, you can also choose the country that you are from by going back to the International Students section, and where it says your country, you will be able to see in alphabetical order different countries. So for example, let's say let's choose here Colombia. In this section you will find more detailed information about the entry requirements, such as IELTS score needed for you to get into the university, or all the scholarships that are available for you as an international student, any additional visa requirements, and also extra help that is available for your country. When you are ready to apply, when you are sure about your course, you will just go back to the website for your course and click Apply Now. Once you click on Apply Now, it will direct you to the section of the university website where you will select Undergraduate course via UCAS. Here you will need to fill in an undergraduate registration form with all your personal information. And that's it guys, it is that easy. So remember, check the website for the scholarships and bursaries available for you. And I'm gonna leave here the telephone number and an email address from the international office. So if you have any questions, any doubt, just don't hesitate to contact them and they will help you. Okay, so hopefully you find this process easy with this video, and see you until next time. So bye.